Hello and welcome back. So let's create a simple coming soon page. Let's say you have just created a website and you want a page called as coming soon page, where you just display some text stating that this is the date we'll be releasing the site. Okay, or could be a maintenance page. Okay, so let's create that page. Alright, so let's open up in the brackets. Okay, so this is how the page content will look like. Let's add the CSS. Let's look at the page first. So we want to show a text saying we will be back soon. Sorry for inconvenience, we are performing some maintenance activities, and this is our contact, please, we'll be back shortly. Okay, so this basically looks nice, right? But you want to have a nice, make this in the center, change the background color and all those things. Let's do very simple CSS and make it look nicer. Okay, I'm gonna close this. We see a preview of it, and then we'll play around with it by changing this page with the CSS. Okay, first we'll say body, we'll say text align center, so it's all centered now, and then we add a padding of 100 px. So the 100 px is all around the top, right, bottom and left. So if you look at over here, it's almost aligned center, right? Then you can have a font of 20 px, and you can have the font name Helvetica, and then we can say sans serif. Then we can have a color to it, right? Nice dark color. Then h1 tag, we can have the font size of 50 px. Okay, this looks big, nice, right? Then we have an article, right? We have an article here, this article. So let's edit that article. We'll say it's a block. Then we can add the text align to it, just center. We can say text align is left, and width of it 650 px, that's the width, so it can run down. And we're gonna have a margin of 0 auto, so it goes to the center. Okay, so if you look at it, okay, so it's nice in center now, right? It have the nice color to it, and then it's able to, very visible onto the web page. Then you have this anchor tag here. Let's edit that anchor tag. Give some color, remove the text decoration, none. Okay, and on the hover of it, that's the pseudo class, we change the color to #333, and obviously the text decoration, I want it to be none. Okay, so you can see, you hover on it, then you change the color to, right? Yeah, it's the hovering effect works now. Okay, so you see how easy it is to create a simple web page, a maintenance page with little bit of CSS. If you understand how to work with CSS, we haven't written any code here yet. Okay, it will take months together to write CSS. People work on so many months to create one project, right? But with simple CSS, understanding how to work with display blocks, understanding what is margin, understanding how to work with padding, right? These are the key features of CSS. You need to understand how to bring things down, bring things up, how to add spaces, how to move things into the center, how to increase the font, how to add the colors. how to align them left, right, or center, and how to remove those decorations that is predefined for anchor tags. And you'll be doing this continuously for every project that you're working on. You'll find yourself some use cases which you are doing again and again, like anchor tags, hovering. You want to have a shadow, you don't want to have a shadow, you want to increase the font of h1, you want to add some spacing on top or left or right. This you will be doing again and again. I hope this is a simple exercise to understand how to work with CSS and HTML and create a simple coming soon page. You can use this page if you're creating a new website. You can put this page up to saying site maintenance, and you can come back to us, and then it's basically show you that you have written your own code, and then you're able to deploy it onto your own site as well. Well, that's all in this lecture on creating a coming soon page, and I'll see you in the next one.